Hello YouTubers, I hope you are doing well. Once again I am back with the new video of Python series. In this video we will talk about how to download and install PyCharm, one of the popular IDE for Python used by many developers to develop a Python code. The topics that we are going to cover in this video are how to download PyCharm, one of the famous IDE for Python integrated development environment, and then we will install PyCharm. After that we will launch PyCharm. At the end we will verify our installation by writing some code and check whether it works properly or not. As I talk about IDE in my previous video, also we learned about basic installation of Python, where we got Python shell and Python code editor. But now we will move toward professional way to code. That's why we need this popular IDE. So let's get started. First of all, I have to go to Google Chrome and simply you have to write in search bar PyCharm and click enter. The first link which will appear here will be from JetBrains.com. JetBrains is one of famous software development company which is famous for developing very popular IDEs. JetBrains has also created some other IDEs like PHP Storm, Android Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, and many other IDEs which are popular between developers nowadays. So in order to continue, just click on this link. Now you will be able to see the PyCharm logo as well as download button here. Click on download button. Then you will be redirected to the page where you can see download PyCharm. Here PyCharm is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Whatever operating system you have you can download according to, but I have a Windows, so I will leave as it is. And here we have two different versions of PyCharm. One is a community version which is a free and open source, and another one is a professional version which is a paid version. If you want to use professional one, then you have to pay for this, but for now, for learning purpose, I recommend you to download a community version. In order to download, just click on the download button, but in my case I have already downloaded on my computer, so I don't need to download it again. Let me show you. Here it is, the PyCharm exe file. In order to run, just double click on icon, click yes. Now you can see the setup wizard has been started. Click next. This is the location where PyCharm will be installed on your system. You can change this path from here as well, but for now I want to install on a default path, so leave it as it is and click on next. And here you have some options available. Create desktop shortcut, yes, I want to create 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher. Click on 64-bit launcher and then create association. I am not going to check this checkbox because I do not want that on my computer every .py file to be associated with PyCharm, so I will leave this unchecked. Again, download and install GRE. For now I do not need an GRE, so I also leave this unchecked and click on next and then install. So I need to wait for some time until this installation is finished. So I have to pause my video. Installation process is almost complete. Yeah, complete PyCharm Community Edition setup. Click on Run PyCharm Community Edition and then click on Finish. Now PyCharm will open automatically. Here what is said, import PyCharm setting from. It says that if you want to import setting from your previous install, So I want to check on do not import setting because I do not want to import setting from previous installation. So click on OK. Here we have two different themes. One is a Darkula, which is a dark, and another one is a light, right? But for now prefer the Darkula because I love coding in this dark theme. Click on next. Here it recommends some features plugins. Here we have some plugins, but for now I do not want to install plugins. Later on when we start coding, at the time we need these plugins. So I have to click on start PyCharm. Here we have different options. Click on create new project. This is the name you want to choose. For now I have to just write hello, create. It is now creating virtual environment. We have to wait for a while. Now it says tips of the day, but I do not need any tips for now. This is the project we just created, which is the hello. Hello is the project we just created. In order to create a file, right click on this folder and then go to new and then click on Python file. For now I just name it Asif. Click OK. Here you can see on the left side, this is our first Python file we created in our hello project. For now I just want to write a single line. So what I have to do, print parenthesis and then Asif. In order to run, go to run, click on run, click on run, run again. Yeah, click on Asif. You can see my name has been printed. We have successfully created our first Python program in which I print my name. In future we will develop more complicated Python programs in PyCharm, or we may use Python editor as well, but I recommend you to use the PyCharm because this is a good environment for Python. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like this video button, do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about the new videos. Stay tuned and goodbye. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share. And for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.